Alright everyone, I'm gonna do my first unboxing of the new Dell XPS 17 2020. This one has a 10th generation Intel processor, and I think is a creator's edition. Yeah, I didn't go for the 4K display panel. This is like a regular one. So I'm gonna start. I just have my regular IKEA knife, and apologize just because my other hand is holding the cell phone, so just bear with me. I just got it from Pure Later here in Canada, so I am going to open it. It took me like 3 weeks since I ordered it. I ordered it from Dell CA website, and it took like 2 weeks because I think these computers are BTO, built to order. So now, with any further ado, just gonna pull this thing. Just gonna put away my little knife, and I'm just gonna pull it. Again, I am having the cell phone on my left hand. Okay, well, this is like a plastic, there's no like too much. Now I'm gonna remove this little plastic. Oops. I hope I don't break it again. I think I'm gonna use my little knife. It's a little bit complicated, to do it with one hand. I don't have any tripod. I do have a tripod, but I couldn't find it. And again, this is my first review. Today is September 10th, 2020, and that's it. So now, oh my god, it's a little bit heavy. It is a little bit heavy, So this is a box. Now I'm gonna open it. Oh, and by the way, I already have the 2016 XPS 15 that I currently work with. Yeah, it's my daily driver, for work. I work from home. I started working from home since August 2019, and I think it's time for me to upgrade. That computer has 4 years. I have had it for the last 4 years, and although it's really good, I needed like a work computer, right? So this is it. I'm just going to there is like a little plastic here that you can pull up, and it is heavy. This laptop is heavy. What else do we have? We have I think it's a power charger brick. Well, we have some other stuff. I'm gonna go through it later. I got the power charger brick. This is, I think it's an HDMI or USB adapter. Yeah, I think so. And well, this is like the power cord. Has some interesting stuff. 100% recycled plastics, 25% from ocean-bound sources, Dell.com Ocean Plastics. Okay, well, that's good. That's a little thing. I didn't know they were into that bandwagon, which is really good. Yeah, so this is it. I am now, oh my god, it's heavy. This machine is heavy, but it's also very thin. I'm gonna compare it to my XPS. I'm just gonna bring it. Just bear with me for a second. All right. So this is my my current XPS 2016. Yeah, and if I close it, as you can see, just gonna put them side by side. It is, slightly, of course, wider and taller, but it is because, of course, the one that I have above is a 15 inches, right? This is a 15 inches from 2016, and this one surprisingly is a 17 inches from 2020. I just read today actually that they are releasing the 11th generation Intel processors. Anyway, so thickness wise, they are very similar, I think. Yeah, so I'm really excited. Well, this is the bottom, right, of the 2020 XPS. Well, this one 17 inches, and this one is from the 15 inches. So I think that's it. Just gonna put away the 15 inches computer, and what I'll do next, I'll remove the plastic from the new laptop. All right, it's removed. It's really nice. I really like it. Now it's supposed to open with one single hand, Yep, it is opening. So this is it. Yeah, it's beautiful. Also, I was reading that some of the reviews, they were saying that the mouse was not like properly, the mouse pad was not properly placed. I can already see that on this side there is like 1 millimeter. Why, I don't know, but you don't see it on this side. Anyway, so this is a new laptop. I cannot find, oh, I think this is a power button. Let's see if it has some juice. Okay, it does. Yeah, I want to see the screen. It's supposed to be really good. I can already see that there is no like a chin underneath, which is good. The camera is here. And okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you loved it, hit the subscribe button, and also go to the little bell so you can hit subscribe as well. And that's it. Thanks so much. Stay safe.